Welcome again students. In this video we are going to learn types of tides and waves, wave structure and velocity of the waves. Okay. First of all we will learn about types of tides. There are two types of tides, spring tide and neap tide. Observe the figure number 3.8. Okay. Spring tide occurs on the new moon day and the full moon day. What happens when this tide occurs? The gravitational pull of the moon and the sun act in the same direction. Look the figure carefully. Okay. So the total pull increases. Hence, the tide on these days is much higher than the average high tide. Okay. Understood? Okay. The second one is a neap tide. Neap tide occurs on the days of the first and the third quarter. Observe the figure number 3.9. Okay. The forces of both the sun and the moon operates at right angles on the earth. Look the figure carefully. There is a right angle, 90-degree angle. Okay. At the places where the sun causes high tide, the gravitational pull of the moon, which is at right angles, also acts on the sea water. Neap tides are a little lower than the average high tide and little higher than the average low tide. Okay? You got it? Okay. Now we will get more information about waves. First of all, tell me what is a wave? Do you know? Okay. Ripples. Ripples means small waves generated on the seawater surface is called waves. I repeat it again. Ripples generated on the seawater surface is called waves. Okay. The seawater moves up and down or slightly forward and backward due to the waves. Do you know which is the main reason behind the wave generation? Okay. The main reason of wave generation is wind. Okay. Because of wind, wave generate. Okay. Now see the structure of wave. This is a diagram. Observe this diagram carefully. Okay. This raised portion of the wave is called crest. Okay. And the depressed portion, the beneath portion of the waves is called trough. Remember these two terms, trough and crest. Okay. The vertical distance between crest and trough is called amplitude of the wave. This is the amplitude of the wave. This is the vertical distance between crest and trough. Okay. The distance between two successive crests or trough. Look here. The distance between two successive crests and trough is called a wavelength. This is a wavelength. And all these things means wavelength, then amplitude of the wave, then velocity of the wave. These all depends on the velocity of the wind. Velocity means speed. Okay. You got it? Now look. The main reason of the wave generation is the wind. But sometimes due to earthquake or volcanic eruption which occurs below the floor of sea, waves get generated. Okay. These tall sea waves called tsunamis. I think you know about tsunamis. Okay. These waves are very destructive. Destructive means causing great damage. Okay. You got it? I hope you understood the structure of wave and types of tides. Okay. Today's homework is now read whole lesson carefully and also read the do you know box which is in blue color. and always remember box which is in brown color. Okay. Thank you. Bye.